Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to use desktop mode in Chrome browser on your Android mobile phone. Friends, due to some reason, sometimes we need to use desktop mode on our mobile web browser. So to use Chrome browser in desktop mode, you simply need to open your Chrome browser. In Chrome browser, press on the three dots. Here you will find the option desktop site. Enable it. Now our Chrome browser is converted into desktop mode and all the websites will open in desktop mode. Now on any point of time, if you want to turn off desktop mode, then press on these three dots again and disable desktop site. Now it will return back to mobile web version. So friends, like this you can very easily use desktop mode in Chrome browser on your mobile phone. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.